things to do. I can't spend the whole day working on the car with my dad.
Oh, it ain't that bad. It's mostly listening to him talk about old-ass actresses and how hot they used to be.
Right, so you get to go have fun at work, and I have to hear how Angie Dickinson filled out a police uniform.
If it makes you feel any better, I ain't having any fun at work.
Well, what's going on?
Ruben and I disagree about everything, and there's only two of us, so it's impossible for us to make a decision.
I'm sorry.
Can I tell you something?
Of course.
I'm kind of worried buying your dad's shop was a bad idea.
Come on, you know you're excited to own your own business.
Yeah, but I thought that meant getting to do things my way.
You two will figure it out.
I ain't so sure.
Hey, there's only two of us, and somehow we manage.
Yeah, but I can't act all sexy to get my way with Ruben.
You think that works with me?
Baby, I know it works with you.
Damn it.